Breaking news for American seniors: the financial relief you have been waiting for is finally here. Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer has just announced that $2,700 stimulus payments will begin hitting seniors' bank accounts starting April 16. And now, you must ask yourself whether you will be one of the millions receiving this much-needed financial boost or if you could miss out due to a simple oversight. Stay tuned as we break down everything you need to know about this life-changing stimulus package and explain in detail the steps you must take to ensure you receive what you are entitled to. Before diving deeper, if you want to stay updated on all the latest stimulus news and receive expert financial advice designed especially for seniors, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss any crucial information that could impact your financial well-being. In a press conference held yesterday, Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer addressed the American public with news that many seniors have been desperately hoping for after months of challenging negotiations and growing concerns about the unique financial challenges facing our senior citizens during these economically turbulent times. I am pleased to announce that stimulus payments of $2,700 will begin distribution to qualifying seniors starting April 16, Schumer declared, bringing renewed hope to millions of older Americans who have been disproportionately affected by rising costs and economic uncertainty. This momentous announcement comes after prolonged debates in Congress regarding the necessity of additional financial support that is specifically targeted toward America's senior population. The reality is that many seniors live on fixed incomes that simply have not kept pace with the dramatic rise in everyday expenses, which now range from groceries and prescription medications to other essential needs. With the cost of living skyrocketing and forcing many older Americans to make impossible choices between necessities such as food and medicine, it is essential to understand the factors that prompted this highly focused stimulus package. The answer lies in specific income requirements, which create another important threshold. Single seniors with an adjusted gross income of less than $75,000 annually will receive the full $2,700 payment, while for married couples filing jointly, or at least one spouse is 65 or older, the income threshold increases to $150,000 to receive the full amount. Beyond these thresholds, the payment gradually phases out, offering reduced payments for single seniors earning up to $85,000 and married couples earning up to $170,000. Social Security status plays an important role as well. Although receiving Social Security benefits is not strictly required to qualify for the stimulus, it significantly streamlines the process. Those already in the Social Security system will likely have their payments deposited automatically, while others may need to take additional steps to claim their stimulus. If you find that you are among the small percentage of seniors who qualify by age and income yet do not receive Social Security benefits, pay special attention to the next section, where you will learn the specific actions necessary to avoid missing out. Veterans and disabled seniors should also note that there are special provisions included in this stimulus package. Those receiving VA benefits or SSDI who meet the age requirements are likewise eligible, with some even receiving enhanced benefits based on their specific circumstances and individual needs. The legislation recognizes that these individuals often face additional financial challenges and is structured to provide the appropriate level of support. The April 16 start date marks just the beginning of a phased rollout that will continue through May and June. Understanding where you fall in this timeline is crucial to managing your financial expectations regarding when you will see funds appear in your account. Treasury officials have organized the distribution based on several factors to ensure an orderly and efficient process. The first wave, beginning April 16, will prioritize seniors who receive Social Security benefits and already have direct deposit information on file with the IRS or Social Security Administration, meaning that these individuals can expect to see the stimulus payment appear in their bank accounts within the first week of distribution. If you are wondering whether you fall into this group, checking your past tax returns or Social Security benefit statements may offer clarity. And if you have received previous government payments via direct deposit, you are likely in this first wave. The second phase, scheduled to begin in early May, focuses on seniors who receive benefits through paper checks. While direct deposit enables an immediate electronic transfer of funds, physical checks require extra time to print, process, and mail. So if you typically receive your Social Security or tax refunds by mail, expect your stimulus payment to arrive by mid-May, although some may even receive theirs earlier. The final phase extends through June and addresses more complex cases, including seniors who must take additional steps to claim their payments, those with recent changes in filing status, and individuals whose records require manual review. This phase also includes distribution to qualified seniors who do not receive Social Security benefits and therefore need to actively claim their stimulus through a special application process. It is important to know which wave of distribution you are likely to fall into, as understanding the timeline can help you plan your finances accordingly and avoid unnecessary anxiety regarding when your payment will finally arrive. The Treasury Department has established multiple channels for distributing these critical funds, with direct deposit remaining the fastest and most efficient method. If you have provided your banking information to the IRS for tax refunds or to the Social Security Administration for monthly benefits, your stimulus payment will be automatically deposited into that same account with no additional action required, eliminating the delays associated with physical mail. For those who prefer or need paper checks, the Treasury will mail official stimulus checks to the address on record. Although this method takes longer than direct deposit, it ensures that seniors without banking relationships still receive their funds. These envelopes will be clearly marked as official government correspondence containing financial documents, so be vigilant about checking your mail during the expected delivery period. In some cases, recipients might receive their payment via an Economic Impact Payment (EIP) card, a prepaid debit card loaded with a stimulus amount for individuals for whom the government does not have banking information. EIP cards are typically mailed in plain envelopes from Money Network Cardholder Services and may be mistaken for junk mail if not carefully inspected. So if you receive unexpected mail from this sender, do not discard it without checking the contents first. Additionally, for seniors who use representative payees to manage their benefits, the distribution process follows the same channels as regular Social Security payments. The representative payee is responsible for using these funds for the beneficiary's needs, just as they would with ordinary benefit payments. While many seniors will receive their payments automatically, others will need to take specific steps to claim their stimulus, and understanding which category you fall into can be the difference between receiving the full $2,700 and missing out entirely. It is crucial to verify whether you need to take action rather than assuming the money will simply appear in your bank account. Seniors who filed a tax return for 2023 or 2024 or who regularly receive Social Security, Railroad Retirement, SSDI, or VA benefits typically do not need to take any additional steps, as the government will use the information already on file to process and distribute your payment. However, even within this group, ensuring that your address and direct deposit information are current is vital to prevent delays or misdirected payments. For those who have not filed recent tax returns or do not receive federal benefits, a user-friendly online form will be available through the IRS website starting April 1st, which will request basic information such as your name, address, date of birth, and Social Security number to verify eligibility and facilitate payment. The deadline to complete this form is July 15, 2025, allowing seniors several months to take action, although earlier submission is strongly encouraged to avoid unnecessary delays. If you have moved recently or changed banks, updating your information with the appropriate agency is crucial. Social Security recipients should update their details through the Social Security Administration's website or local office, while those who file tax returns can submit address changes to the IRS. Taking these steps promptly can prevent your payment from being sent to an outdated address or rejected by a closed bank account. Moreover, some seniors may need to provide additional documentation to verify their eligibility, particularly those who fall into edge cases or who have unusual filing situations. This may include proof of age, income verification, or other supporting documents, with the specific requirements communicated directly to affected individuals in official correspondence from the Treasury Department or IRS. Unfortunately, whenever government payments are announced, scammers quickly emerge with schemes designed to steal your personal information or money. Protecting yourself from these predators requires vigilance and awareness of their tactics. Remember that legitimate government agencies will never contact you to request personal information or payment in order to release your stimulus funds. If someone calls, emails, or texts claiming to be from the IRS, Social Security Administration, or Treasury Department and requests your Social Security number, bank account details, or a processing fee, it is undoubtedly a scam. Government agencies already have the necessary information, and there are absolutely no fees associated with receiving your stimulus payment. Be cautious of phishing attempts through emails or text messages containing links that ostensibly lead to official websites where you can check your payment status or verify your information. These links often lead to fraudulent websites designed to steal your personal data. Instead of clicking any suspicious links, always manually enter the official website addresses irs.gov or ssa.gov into your browser to verify your details. Legitimate information regarding these payments will only be provided by official government sources, so be skeptical of any unexpected communications requesting personal details or fees. In addition to these security measures, it is wise to frequently review your financial statements and bank account activity in order to quickly detect any irregularities. Finally, if you found this information helpful, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. We are committed to bringing you timely and accurate updates about financial matters affecting seniors, ranging from stimulus updates and retirement strategies to money-saving tips customized for older Americans. Your support enables us to continue delivering this valuable service, and we greatly appreciate every subscriber who joins our community. Thank you for watching, and please share this video with other seniors who might benefit from this important information. By staying informed and prepared, together we can ensure that every eligible senior receives the financial support they deserve and is well equipped to make the most of it when it arrives, while also taking the necessary steps to safeguard against potential scams and financial pitfalls in these rapidly changing economic times.